Students of 8th class. In the second part of this video, let's continue with the chapter Unit 6, Win Over Loneliness and Depression. So we had already discussed brainstorming session and also about the chapter and what's the meaning of loneliness actually. Now, let's try to understand how to deal with the loneliness. So we have first point in this. We can comfort ourselves with the thought that we are not alone. There are many who can understand, appreciate, advise, and guide us through life. So, students, let's never consider ourselves alone. We have our teachers, we have our parents, we have our friends, we have our brothers and sisters to discuss our matter, our problem, and all about the depression and the loneliness we are in. Then, second point, we should get involved in various activities. That is the foremost thing. Even in the when we get bad tempered, when we get angry, we need to involve in many things. So we can look for activities that interest us most. Some examples are book clubs, arts clubs, sports clubs, religious groups, political campaigns, concerts, and exhibitions. So, these are the activities in the society. Okay, collection of books, art clubs. There are, as a young students, we need to have sports clubs. Then, as a mature, we need to have religious groups so that we can discuss the religious problems and also religious issues. And also, we can go for the campaign or political uh, elections and all that. Any political campaign can be done. Even research can be made, political research in the villages, in the cities, in the mohallas. Concerts, music concerts, many other concerts are there, can be held. Exhibitions, science exhibitions, social exhibitions are there. So, such activities we can get into. Third point, fourth point, third point we should differentiate between loneliness and solitude. Both are different. In the beginning, also, I told you loneliness is when one is unhappy to be alone. Solitude is when one is happy to be alone. That means at one place where no one is there, you go and meditate about your life. There is nothing wrong with the solitude because it can be useful and enjoyable. So many of the scientists, many of the religious people, monks, they go to the jungles, forest, sit at lonely place at one place and meditate about their actions and realize the truth. Fourth point, when in solitude, we can learn new things and develop new skills. So, students, one thing is there from loneliness, we can move to the solitude, okay, to reflect our life. Reading books, practicing, writing can be the best things we can do in solitude. In fifth point, let's make it our habit to think about the welfare of the other people. We should focus on the needs and feelings of others, not on our loneliness. And the sixth point we have cultivate positive thoughts. We are what we think we are. Let's enjoy the beauty of life. So that was 6 points or 6 tips we can get rid of loneliness. So we have a story here. Put them down. So, in other words, nip the evil in the bud. So, the teacher began his class by holding up a glass with some water. He held it up for all to see and asked the students, "How much do you think this glass weighs?" There were different answers: 50 gram, 100 grams, 120 grams. These were the answers questioned by the teachers. "I really don't know unless I weigh it," said the teacher. "But my question is, what would happen if I held it up like this for a few minutes?" "Nothing," the student said. "Okay, what would happen if it held it up like this for an hour?" The teacher asked. "Your arm would begin to ache," said one of the students. "You're right now. So, what would happen if I held it for a day?" So, the teacher asked three questions for them. First, for a few minutes, if I hold this glass. So, if this glass is held for few minutes, then for an hour, the students told answer. The teacher's arms may begin to ache, pain. Then the teacher asked, "If I held it for a day, then what happened?" "You're right now. What would happen if I held it for a day, this glass?" "Then your arm could go numb. You might have severe muscle strains and paralysis." So that was the answer of the students. If glass is held for a day, it's a long time. "You will have to go to hospital for sure," said another, and all the students laughed. "Very good. But during all this, did the weight of the glass change?" asked the teacher. "No," was the answer. "Then what caused the arm ache and the muscles stress?" So this is the important question asked to the students. For a long time, if the glass is held in arms, what caused the arms ache and the muscles stress? The students were puzzled. They were surprised. "What should I do now to come out of pain?" asked the teacher again. "Put the glass down," said one of the students. Exactly. So, what was the answer? Put the glass down. This is a very important lesson, my dear students. "Put the glass down," said one of the students. And teacher told, "Exactly," said the teacher. And he placed the glass on the table. Students, problems of life are something like this. Hold it for a minute in your head and they seem okay. Think of them for a long time, they begin to ache. Hold it even longer and they begin to paralyze you. And you will not be able to do anything. So, it is important to think of the challenges or problems in our life. So, let us not increase the problem but find the solution to the problems. That is the main thing. But even more important is to put them down at the end of every day before we go to sleep. That way, we are stressed and we wake up every day fresh and strong. Thus, we can handle any issue, any challenge that comes our way. So, let us not carry forward in our mind and keep on thinking about the problems we have. Let us put them down. That is the main lesson of the story. So, the more we carry the problems, the more we feel lonely. So, we are learning the chapter loneliness. And this is the main reason when we don't put down our problems, when we don't nip the evil in the bud. So, students, there is a lesson and there is also an exercise, a task given to you. My thoughts. You can write few lines what you have learned from this chapter, and now we shall begin to study the question answers. How is the loneliness related to health? It is on page 29. You can see here, loneliness shortens lifespan. Study found that loneliness as dangerous as obesity and moreover high blood pressure and gastrointestinal problems are caused by loneliness. Second question, what is the loneliness? Page 30. On the top of the page, page 30, loneliness is feeling of isolation or lack of companionship. So till society you can take. How is solitude different from loneliness? So it is this para, third point on page 30. Then we have wisdom through quotes. You can go through and give your views. Okay. And that's all from this chapter. Go through this chapter, do the question answers, and do the task which I have told you. Till the time, bye bye.